Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this water meter from Parkside with a max operating pressure 12 bar, battery included, UV resistant, weather resistant, click system suitable for standard hose systems, for environmentally conscious and controlled garden irrigation. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. And with a 3 years warranty, of course. Manual, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Instant connection with your hose, click system, rubber silicone here, prevent any leaks. And here you can unscrew that. We have rubber silicone inside and the click system. Oh, and we can see in this plastic. That goes inside. Tied it very well. Now to connect this at your main water supply, you need this adapter, not included at the box. First at your water supply and then just press and it will lock. Pull and release. I will show you later. To activate this unit we need to remove 4 screws. Inside we have the battery. Okay, there's the battery. But we need to pull this paper. For safety reasons they have this paper before activating for the first time the device. Tight very well the screws, we don't want any water inside the battery compartment. And here we can see on the display, with the R button you can choose liter or gallon. With the M button you can choose the total one, it is the water quantity per day. Press again the M button, goes to the total 2. Water volume per season. Press again the M button, goes at the amount of water per watering. The watering process can be interrupted for up to 3 seconds. Gallons per minute, or with the R, liter per minute. And to reset any values, just choose with the M button what you want, total 1, 2, auto or per minute, and then press the R button for 3 seconds and it will reset this value. So now let's move on and install it to my water supply and see how it works. Connect the adapter, tight it very well, connect the unit with a quick system and your hose. With the M button turn on, choose gallon or liter, total 1, turn on your water supply, and that was all, so easy. And we can see the measurement, the icon, and with the M button goes at the total 2, auto, or liter per minute. Now let's decrease the water pressure and we can see the measurement, it goes slower and faster again. If you want for any reason to have this water meter in your garden, at your home and measure your water consumption, it costs only 12 euros. It has a robust housing, well manufactured, for environmentally conscious. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.